Crypto fam, it's Thursday and it's been busy in crypto land this week, like really busy. Okay, I have 5 items on today's docket. Yeah, 5. I have Blizzard Entertainment, I have Robinhood, Analog One, my favorite crypto XYO, and then my second favorite crypto LCX. So let's get into it. Okay, docket item number 1, Blizzard Entertainment. What's going on with them? This past Tuesday, Decrypt posted an article saying there was a somebody had tweeted there was a possibility of Blizzard Entertainment surveying the NFT landscape for World of Warcraft and Diablo. And by possibility, I mean nope. Okay, so the president of Blizzard Entertainment tweeted a 5-word response to said rumor. No one is doing NFTs. And then, okay, so docket item number 2, Robinhood. They've been busy for quarter 2. They've had quarter 2 just started on April 1st, and they've been busy. Let's start with they finally listed SHIB. Took long enough. And then as of Wednesday, yesterday, they announced that they bought UK-based crypto wallet platform Ziglu Limited. And the reason for said acquirement, because they're planning to grow, or they want to continue growing internationally. So, hip hop hooray. Okay. Docket item number 3, Analog One. For those that are not aware what Analog One is, first of all, they are a layer 1 blockchain platform, and their sole mission, their sole basis, their soul for everything, their soul for living is timing. Because why? The network needs timing, and layers 2, 3, and then Web 3 and everything else above layer 1 can't exist without timing, right? Right. Okay, second thing, Analog One was the first recipient from XYO and HODLers fund joint ecosystem fund. Okay, so they were awarded a certain amount of money. I don't remember the amount, but they were the first recipient. And as of yesterday, Wednesday, they announced that they created a forum for users. What's the forum about? Well, you can learn more about Analog One. You can chat you can congregate amongst analog employees as well as other users. You can learn. But here's the real kicker. When I was going through the forum, this one right here, you see that? He read my mind. He wrote, or he asked Analog One, at what price are we expecting Analog to be listed? That's very important, and I've been waiting for it to be listed. How about that? We'll start there. And the second question, at least for me, I haven't joined the forum, obviously. When will Analog One be listed, and where will Analog One be listed? Because, I'm not a financial advisor. Let's remember that. I'm not a financial advisor, but I will invest heavily. I will HODL. I will buy Analog One. Just saying. All right. Rounding out to docket item number 4. My favorite crypto, XYO. They've had a busy week as well. 2 announcements from them. The first one, UbquityPay now accepts XYO for payment. What is UbiquityPay, you might ask? They are a global solution for crypto payments and real estate transactions, and they accept over 130 different cryptocurrencies. That's pretty much insanity if you ask me. So I'm glad XYO was added to UbiquityPay. The second item that XYO ticked off for today, or I guess this week, the week hasn't ended yet, let's remember that. XYO is now listed on BingX as of yesterday, Wednesday. They tweeted that announcement. Okay, what is BingX? I am reading a quote from the BingX website. They are a unique, innovative exchange allowing you to connect with elite traders to bring about the best possible results for your investments. Congratulations to my first favorite crypto XYO. All right. Last item on tonight's docket. Docket item number 5. My second favorite crypto, LCX, as of yesterday, Wednesday, 420. For you guys who want to make a joke about 420, yeah, 420. Okay, yeah, so yesterday, 420, at 5:30 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, LCX now has the NFT-MAKER token live and available for sale. So, if you use that platform, if you're using that exchange, head over there and pick some up. All right, guys, that's all on my end. I hope you guys have a good rest of your Thursday. And reminder, not a financial advisor, but what do I do? What do I say? We buy the dip, buy the dip. I should take some singing lessons and sing about crypto. What do you guys think? Yeah, nope. All right, anyways, I'm out. Peace.